Yeah, it's dry. Alright guys, so we just got a new package from our sponsor. It's a wireless keyboard for gaming. Let's go check it out. This keyboard is awesome to use. It has a tri-mode connection, Type-C, BT5 with Bluetooth and wireless as well. Now let's go back to the video. Hey guys, we got ourselves a new build. Let's go check it out. Alright, check this out guys. This is one of my favorite car that I had on the list for a very long time. This is a 2017 Golf R. I got it from Copart, sight unseen. I got it yesterday. I'm gonna let you see the video right now. New build, and today is gonna be my first impression to check it from the outside, the inside. Hopefully it's not gonna have any bad damage. Wish me luck guys, so let's go and see. Now let's go check the interior. All right, the inside looks clean and there is no rips on the seats. The seat still looks great. As you know guys, I bought this car unseen from Copart. In the Copart listing, it was showing as run and drive, and they were showing also a video of the engine running. The sound of the engine, I did not like it so much. I felt like it was something, but I did not hear no knock or on the engine. Watch the video. Tell me what you think on the comment section below before we get to the engine, and let me see who got that right. If the engine is good, what's wrong with it? Because the sound, it doesn't sound good. To be careful right there. Ooh. It's rubbing on the side. Yeah, it's rubbing right here. I already took out the battery so I can take it to charge because it was dead. All right guys, did you watch the video? Now I checked the dipstick, no oil. Took off right here this cap, and then I pour oil on this side, and all the oil right then is dripping all the way. So I don't want to turn on the car right now. I think it's leaking from the oil pan or that area. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna submit the order for all the parts before I turn on the car, and wish me luck if the engine is still good or not. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Leave me your thoughts on the comment section below to see if this engine is still good or not. And I'll see you next with the new update. Bye.